Personal presentation. Hello, my name is Catherine Tatiana Ruiz Cruz. I am from Popayan City. I live in Popayan City. My email address is catherine.ruiz.cruz@gmail.com. I am 26 years old. I am a student. My hobbies are car fishes, crafts, and listen to music. And my favorite food are ajiaco and burritos. With the level A1, the most difficult question was about present perfect. I consider I am in A1. I am good at following a study schedule. I can introduce myself in English. I am good at listening audio in English. I don't have enough vocabulary. I don't know all the grammatical rules. I don't know the pronunciation for all words in English. I use Duolingo app. I sing my favorite song. I study English with my husband. I watch cartoons in English. Thank you.